Hello everyone, hope you are all doing well. Now let's get introduced to our new vocabulary in Module 1A, My School. And now when we talk about my school, so let's start with our school subjects, okay? One of the main school subjects is science, and it's got 3 branches, which are chemistry, biology, and physics. For chemistry, it's the study of the nature of substances. We can do experiments using chemicals. Biology, it's the study of the human's body and living creatures. Anything related to human's body or any living creature. And physics, it's the study of anything related to the space, time, or energy. And also concerning our school subjects, we have social studies, and social studies is talking about 2 main things. One of these things is geography, and geography it's the study of weather and maps on Earth. And also when we talk about history, so history it's the study of stories and cultures in the past. Also we have in our school subjects math, and math it's the study of numbers and calculations. Also we have art, and in art we learn how to draw, dance, sing, and act. PE. What is PE? PE is the physical education, and it learns us how to keep our bodies fit. That's why we call it physical education. And ICT. ICT is an abbreviation for information for computer technology. Information for computer technology. And in ICT, we learn how to use computers. Now, we've known all the school subjects. So in our school, where will we have these lessons? So let's get introduced to our school rooms. First, we have our classroom. In classroom, students have most of their lessons. What lessons? Like Arabic, English, math. The lessons that we have in our classroom. And art room. Of course, art room where students have their art lesson. Anything concerning drawing, dancing, acting. So there is a special room for arts. Gym, of course, gym where students have their PE lesson. And computer room where students have their ICT lesson, because it's about learning computers or how to use computers. And finally, we have the science lab, where students have their science lesson and do their experiments. So they need a lab to do their experiments, because it's not easy, or they can't actually have their they can't do the experiments in the classroom, so they need a lab. Alright, so science lab where students have their science lesson and do their experiments there. Okay, now in the student's book, page 8, there is an article called Melway. Okay, a Melway is a school for performing arts. I'm going to read it with you, and the highlighted verbs, I made them in yellow color to acknowledge the present simple verbs, okay? And how do they come in a sentence? The students at Melway are 14 to 19 years old. They do the same subjects as other secondary schools like math, history, geography, and so on, but they also learn music and dance. So, you see here, the students at Melway are, because this is a present simple tense, 14, 19 years old. They do the same subject as other secondary schools like math, history, geography, and so on. Do here, not does, because they do. Okay? The I, we, you, and they come with do or followed by do. While he, she, and it, of course, we put does. Alright? Here we just remember together. But they also learn music and dance. Why didn't we write learns? Because of they. Alright? Lippy Kingsley, a 15-year-old student, says, can you see says? Because Lippy Kingsley is a girl, okay? So we write says, not say. Melway is a great school. Classes start at 8:45 a.m. every day, and they finish at 4 o'clock on most days. On Fridays, they don't finish at 4. They finish at 2:30. But I stay till 5 o'clock and practice with my friends. I want to become a singer, so Melway is perfect for me. So it's obvious in this article that it's written in present simple tense. Melway is a great school. Classes start, not starts, at 8:45 because classes is plural. A.m. every day, and every day of course is one of the key words for present simple. And they finish, not finish, because they, plural, so we don't add s or es or ies in the plural, at 4 o'clock on most days. On Fridays, one of the key words also, you can highlight it in your book in order not to forget or get confused. They don't finish, not doesn't. They don't finish at 4. They finish at 2:30, but I stay till 5 o'clock and practice with my friends. I want to become a singer, so Melway is perfect for me. Finally, Theo Hunt, a 14-year-old student, says, my favorite subject is modern dance. And by the way, all subjects, we write their first letters in capital. Okay, that's why I write modern dance, or it's written in book, capital. My favorite subject is modern dance. You see, I like hip-hop. Hip-hop is a kind or well-known kind of music. So I like hip-hop. It's great fun. The facilities at Melway are excellent. Facilities here means that there are many options for you to help you in dancing, or if you are interested in dancing or singing or anything in that school. So there are lots of facilities that will help you to learn easier or faster. So the facilities at Melway are excellent. My favorite place is the theater. It's very big, and at the end of school in July, we give a dance performance there. And performance is like a show. They make a big show or dance show over that theater. So it's very obvious that he or she is very interested in music in general. So at the end he said it's very, or she said it's very big, and at the end of school in July we give a dance performance